This video is for people who are interested in stocks, but they're afraid of the investment and would like an opportunity to kind of, I guess, um, test it before investing real money. So we're getting into paper trading. Paper trading is basically a simulated holding. So, for example, we can go to Apple right now, and I can go to more, and I can go to simulated holdings. So pretty much what it's going to allow me to do is simulate an actual purchase of a stock. So right now the market is closed. The market, well, because it's the weekend, it's only open Monday through Friday between 6 a.m. till 1 p.m. At least my time. I'm in California, so it's going to be different for others. So so it's going to simulate me actually purchasing a stock and what the investment is going to be like and how the money actually works. So you're going to want to go to simulated holdings through Webull. So that's the name of the app. But before you decide to download the app, I advise you to click the link in the description and download it that way. That way you get a free share of the app. I mean, get some free stocks through the app. When you make your first investment of $100 after downloading the link, you will get some free shares, value potentially valued up to $1,600. And I think you can. Well, yeah. We'll just start with that. You can get some free stocks basically. So and at the same time, you can refer and get more free stocks if you want to. So check it out. Try to make it easy on yourselves. So what if I wanted to buy 10 shares of Apple right now? So yeah, you definitely want to do deduct the cost from simulated cash. So save, it's gonna give me an estimated value of what it's like and actually purchase the stocks through here. So the price is gonna be like over $1,000, and that's 10 shares of Apple right there. And what if I want to purchase more? You can definitely do that, or you can do something else, or you can sell your shares. I can sell 2 shares right now. Which is weird to me. You can sell against it and you can buy. So it's like trading actually. So to where I can like go against a position and actually make my profit that way. And at the same time, I can use another option going through the paper trading. But yeah, this is the simulated holdings right there. And where is paper trading? I think I got to back out. So when you actually go through their account, you're going to learn that you have plenty of options with this broker. I mean, you got the IPO centers, quick trades. It's going to help you see your performance, get funding, add a beneficiary, and even set up an IRA, and so much more. You have so many options with this app. It's great. So you can go to paper trading, and which is going to be totally separate from the simulated holdings. So what if I wanted to, well, you can still buy and sell against everything, but it's this, I think it's more like day trading. So we go to trade, it's going to give you some options, well, based on what's in your portfolio. So I'm going to go with AMD right here, which is going to be $85 per share. You can see the charts and kind of get an idea of what's been going on, time of sales. You're going to get, yeah, you're getting a lot of information compared to what you get out of Robinhood, to be honest. You even get news, just it's right there. They're going to tell you what the analysts are thinking and press releases. I mean, the other app that I have, it doesn't do nearly as much stuff as this. I like to compare sometimes. I I've had Robinhood much longer, so I stick with it. But if I were to just stick with trading, this is the app that I would use for trading. I would not use the other for trading. And but at the same time, there's nothing wrong with using this app for both. And also, you can go through AMD to set up the paper trade. So you can do a buy or a sell for profit, but most cases we're typically going to be doing you're going to be doing buys, especially if you're doing longer term. So right now, since the market's closed, we're doing like a limited order. Normally, it would process immediately, but right now it's pretty much set up to where when the market opens, it's going to activate the trade when once it hits this price. But yeah, basically what I'm trying to show you is this is a great way to kind of, yeah, I guess get your feet wet, test it out, and see how you like the stock market. Try buying and selling a few to kind of get a feel for how the money actually works. But at the same time, I wouldn't like make this your long term deal because unless you're just day trading, I guess. You can't day trade through Robinhood, they'll flag you for it, but you can day trade through Webull. But when buying your stocks, you got to understand that the stocks aren't just going to wait for you. Once you miss the cheap opportunity, you miss the opportunity a lot of the time. Sometimes they can get cheaper, but it really, really depends. Opportunity, you sometimes it takes a long time for a stock to grow. Sometimes they just you meet it at the right moment and it just moves without you. But yeah, know your risk. But yeah, no. But ultimately, you have to gain your own confidence. You're always going to have to do your research and make sure you understand what, well, your reason for wanting to purchase this stock. If you don't have a reason to purchase the stocks other than, oh, you saw somebody else do it, then you have no reason to commit to the stock. And a lot of the cases, that's like how you actually lose money because you never decided to take the time to do the research and you saw it go a little bit negative and you don't know why it's going negative because you didn't research why or anything or see if there's any like bad news against the company or something like along the lines of that. And yeah, you scared yourself out of the opportunity. And if you scare yourself out of the opportunity, then yeah, that's how you lose money sometimes because you saw it go down. You put so much money into this and you saw it go negative, and you're just like, oh my God, this I'm losing money. But when in reality, you don't lose it until you sell it at a cheaper price than you purchased it for. Unless the company really is going under, and yeah, stuff like that does happen. But that's, like I said, that's where research comes in. Understand what you're getting yourself into. But like I said, paper trading is a good route, but ultimately you want to get yourself in a position to where you want to buy your own stocks, and these decisions have to be yours. Plan your stocks, why you want to buy your stocks, how many shares, and if you whether it's paper trading or um actually buying your stock, you want to plan out how many you how many shares you plan to own, how much money you have to invest. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Understand there is risk of losing money, and these are long-term investments. Like for me, I invest and look at this as a retirement. Some people they want to pull out after a couple years or so. But yeah, ultimately it's long term. For me anyways, long term. You have to plan for your investment anyways. But anyways, if you found this video very helpful, feel free to give this a like. And if you want to see more content just like this, feel free to subscribe as well. And don't forget to click the link in the description and get your Webull app and your free stocks. Oh, and if you have questions, feel free to comment. Have a good one.